Hey guys, horror and nightmare for many of us often takes shape in the form of clusters of hair. But again, no need to panic. Brillare Hair Fall Control Booster Oil Shots are a comprehensive solution for stronger hair and scalp. The box contains 8 shots. The natural oil gives you the essential dose of nutrition required to strengthen the scalp and prevent breakage. How to use? Unplug the vial of booster oil shots. Apply one vial at a time on scalp using dropper. Penetrate with fingertips, massage for 3 to 5 minutes, leave it overnight and wash the hair next morning. Use the shot in every alternate days to get the best result. And tada! Good hair days are back.